Why using long tail keywords in your Amazon ads is the most profitable decision for you. I have few points which I will go over in this video. So first of all, they are more specific because if you type like best waterproof running shoes for women size 7 is more detailed compared to running shoes because customers do not have any idea of what they are looking for using running shoes phrase, running shoes keyword, but they have high intent. It signals higher intent, which is using best waterproof running shoes for women size 7 because they are in their decision making phase. And a customer who is looking for shoes, they are in like they are searching and they are actually considering the option which one to buy. They are choosing the color, size, or brand. So if you are utilizing the system report, go in your system reports or search query performance report or brand analytics, and I think you will find some phrases like this. But if not, and you are running ads, you will definitely find in your find in your system reports. The second thing is they have lower competition. So not a lot of people are running ads on these phrases. They are everyone is looking after the more clicks, more visibility. So broad keywords like running shoes tend to have higher competition, especially for popular products. Long tail keywords, being more specific, usually face less competition. This can lead to lower cost per click and cheaper ad spend. And if you are tight on budget, you have launched your product, or you have launched your product, and for for 1, 2, or first 3 months, you are spending highly on your Amazon ads in order to uh, create the momentum of sales. And now you are seeking profitability, you should go consider this profitability phase and start utilizing these long tail keywords. Since these keywords focus on specific set of products or features, your ad will appear in front of a more niche audience. So now your ad is only showing in front of people who are actually wanna buy. As a result, advertisers targeting the same keyword pool are fewer, meaning your ad chances of being clicked on increase. So when your click through rate go high, your ranking will also go high. And if you are targeting a specific customer, it will boost your conversion rate. And this is the one of the most important metric in e-commerce. Actually, in every business, but right now let's talk about only e-commerce. So ready to buy audience, which when users search for with the long tail, they generally much closer to making a purchase. This lead to higher conversion rates because these searches have already narrowed down their preferences, and you are getting disadvantage because you know what your customer needs, making them more likely to click on and purchase the product you are advertising. And it is the bottom of the funnel strategy. So if you have any idea about marketing, so it is top of funnel, this is middle funnel, and this is bottom funnel. And it will, if your customer is in this area, they will actually start buying from you whatever you are selling. It can be your service or your product. Long tail keyword often cater to customers who are further down the buying funnel. These are customers who have specific problems or requirement in mind. For example, waterproof, size, gender. So if we use the previous example, you can use like mm, waterproof shoes for women, size 7, and you also target it with the gender as well, which will make it more specific. So this was the third reason. And fourth is lower ACOS. So everyone is when in Amazon advertising, everyone is focusing on lower ACOS because the lower the ACOS is, the more profitable your ads will be. But there are some cliches, but I will create video on that. Lower ACOS is not always best for your brand, but let's keep it simple right now. So it will give you efficient spending when you are targeting the long tail keywords because you exactly know what phrases are giving you the orders. So if you're not getting the order, you can turn off that specific phrase or long tail keyword, and you will have total control instead of running shoes. You cannot exclude running shoes uh, because it can go with other keywords as well. So you cannot negate it in a phrase match, but you can do it on exact match. Since long tail keywords tend to cost less per click due to lower competition, and your conversion are higher because you are targeting a more specific audience, you are likely to see a lower ratio. This means you will spend less to generate a sale, which improves the efficiency of your ads. With lower CPCs and higher conversion, return on investment improve. Essentially, you are spending less to generate same or more revenue, making long tail keywords cost effective. And another benefit which you will get is, can you guess it? I want you to guess it. You will get ranking. You will When you will get ranking on specific keywords, you do not have to spend extra money on it. I mean, I do not recommend you should stop advertising on that keyword, but you will actually advertise, but not aggressively, and you will still maintain the rank. Uh, and that is our fifth point: easier to rank for. Organic and paid synergy. Since long tail keywords are more specific, you will find it easier to rank both organically and through PPC. When you target these long tail keywords in your PPC campaigns, you might also experience organic growth, as these keywords are usually easier to rank in Amazon's algorithm. This could result in more visibility without having to pay for as many ads in the long run. So that is exactly what I was talking about before. Once you start getting ranking on the keywords, you do not have to spend aggressively on it. Yes, I do not recommend you should stop advertising. Yeah, because it will eventually hurt your um all of the hard work you have done, because the competition will start coming in, and they will actually get a chance to rank their products on Amazon. So ranking is really important, and you can get that if you are launching your brand. You must consider this strategy. Better ad relevance. Exactly. If you are targeting very niche and you are really precise with your keyword selection, that means your ad will be very relevant what customer is actually looking for. Amazon advertising algorithm considers the relevance of your ad to the search query by using long tail keyword. Your ads will be more relevant to the searcher, which can lead to better placement and higher click-through rates. This also has potential to improve your quality score, which may further lower CPC and improve your ad performance. I hope you got the point, because what I am looking for, I typed in the search bar of Amazon, and I saw that exact product, and some other products, relevant products as well. But if that specific product actually the solution of my problem, I'm gonna click on it, whether it's organic or either whether it's ad. So first of all, in order to get the start getting the momentum, you need to run ads because it will give you more visibility. So that will help you in right in the beginning. So better landing page experience. I I think I have to create a video on creating a better landing page for better product detail page on Amazon. How you should create your title, images, bullet points, and A+ content in order to give the best experience to your customer when they will land on your detail page. You can target the customer with long tail keyword. You can create really great creatives, but if your product detail page is not good, they are not gonna buy it. So you have to make it pretty. Fewer broad search results. So why the CPC is low here? CPC is low because it's more less broad traffic, fewer broad search results. Like CPC is lower. So targeting broad keywords often result in ads being shown to people who are still in research phase and not yet to buy. Long tail keywords help ensure that your ads are more focused on converting customers who are closer to making a decision. So I think it is self-explanatory. If we are like going after a short keyword which have no clear idea what they are actually looking for, what customer is actually looking for. And seventh point is fewer broad search results. Targeting broad keywords often results in your ads being shown to people who are still in research phase, not yet to not yet ready to buy. Long tail help ensure that your ads are more focused on converting customers who are closer to making a decision. Absolutely. So if there is a vague keyword like running shoes, people are actually looking, they're researching, they are seeing, okay, uh, they like the color, they like the brand, what is going on, they are actually researching phase. So if you are tight on budget, if eventually you don't want to spend money there, yes, after making profit you can, you must run some campaigns in order to get more visibility, but you you don't want to spend a lot of money there. So this whole video is only about increasing your profit, increasing your sales via Amazon ads. So this is what this is why you should consider long tail keywords in your Amazon PPC strategy, because it will help you in these cases. And if you are ready to dominate your ads, start using long tail keywords, your keywords to load your cost and boost conversion. If you want me to if you want to get a free Amazon PPC audit now and see how optimizing your strategy can skyrocket your sales, so you can click the link in the pin comment and schedule a call. So I just want to share results with the brands I'm working with. You can see, but in this month, after spending almost $12,000, we have generated $35,000 in sales. And this is their like total sales right now after spending $12,000. Will you be happy to make $55,000? If you're interested, click the pin comment and I'll see you in the next video.